Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of my 12 days of Christmas. Today we are having a little haul, we're having a sit down. Do I have a gingerbread flat white? It's delightful. I don't even know if you can see it in there. Oh my goodness, I got the Jingle Bells mug out. This is my favourite mug. Ray Dunn is definitely not in fashion anymore, but this here brings me joy. It's brought me joy since the day I bought it. I bought it because I blooming love it. Jingle Bells is all I sing all the time, and I am thrilled to have it back out of my cupboard. Anyway, so today's video I'm going to film a little bit of a haul because I've picked up some really cute bits over the past kind of month, and things are just from everywhere really, and I thought it'd be fun to just sit down and share the things that I have picked up. Obviously I've shared these things once I've gone into the shops, like in the vlogs and stuff. I figure some people aren't watching all of my videos and that's fine, and I thought I would just share obviously what's good enough that I thought I would actually buy rather than making it, because we all know this year I'm on a budget. I'm always on a bloody budget. I just like to spend my money wisely where I can, and if I could save some money I will, and if I feel like I could save time, money, effort and buy it and just get some joy out of it that way, then that's something I'll do as well. So anyway, haul time. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, like Christmas in a cup. Anyway, first of all, my Christmas fleece. This is my favourite Christmas fleece of this year that I've seen. I picked it up straight away. I was like, I just have to have it. My mum ripped a new one into me. She told me one step away from wearing a wool fleece, and I was like, do you know what? But I probably would. I probably would wear a wool fleece. What can I say? I love a fleece. It keeps me warm. This one here, I may as well stand up. Look, it's got these little ice skatey people on. It's got little houses. We've got Christmas trees on there. What are they? Candy canes. It's got pockets in it. Look, absolutely thrilled with this purchase. The pink kind of binding or whatever you want to call that on there, and it is a Bath and Body Works collab from Next. I never knew that they did them, but it turns out they did. They had a pink one last year. We've got little pink elastic toggles on there. I just have mine open so it sits oversized. I bought mine in a size large. Probably could have sized down, but I like mine to be as big as possible. Typically I would buy them in whatever size that the kind of store has. Like I would buy a size 22. I would buy a size 24. I'm about a size 10 now actually, after being on a diet since April. But it's very cozy, and I feel like this is just the perfect fit for me. Very oversized. I just adore it. I love it. These look like the Northern Lights to me, even though they're red. We've got like the little snowflakey looking bits. Oh, I feel thrilled at it. And it's also fuzzy on the inside too. So then, you know, it's like it on double sides. Sometimes they're a bit itchy fabric on the insides, aren't they? So another thing to note that I have bought recently, this tree. Isn't this the most wonderful tree you've ever seen? And yes, it's fake. And I'm like, this is the best fake little tree you could ever buy, and it is a bargainous price as well. It's half the price of the fleece, what can I say? So this here is actually from Amazon, which is even better because then I know you guys can check it out as well. It's not just from a local store. I can't get enough of it. I'll give you like a close-up as I'm talking now so you can actually see it. But like I said, it was from Amazon and it cost me £22. £22. I bought the 2-foot version because I thought I just wanted a little touch in the background of my videos and that'll be the perfect size. And sure enough it is. I've popped my little pigs around it. These are what I've been making. I made this one on camera a couple of days ago, and I made this one from the same pattern. Look at it. It's just adorable. Happy Pigmas, I suppose. I love them. Another thing I actually picked up, this was from B&M. This I filmed me picking this up in a vlog. I love this mug. I can't wait to use it. It's been on my desk for a little while now since I picked it up. I think it's so cute. It was £3.50 I believe, but I absolutely adore this. Giving me those anthropology vibes. I can't get enough. I didn't buy my husband one at the time because I thought he just isn't going to want a mug. Turns out he really, really likes this and wants one too. These two things featured in my November 1st vlog. So day 1 of the 12 days of Christmas. But if you didn't catch that, I picked up this wreath base. This was in Home Bargains for £1.99. A great price, especially if you're doing DIY Christmas crafts. This It's just great. I buy them from there every year. And to be honest, I buy quite a few at Christmas time. And then like come spring, they come in handy. Halloween, they come in handy. I made a witch one from one a couple months ago before they was even out. And just having those in the craft room as a little kind of backup is great. And I bought this guy. I couldn't resist. Could I have made my own? Yes. But this was £3.99. And I needed a new doorstop because my doorstop at the moment is a velvet pumpkin. So I thought, this is just, I don't know, a sign. I needed it. It's the first thing that I saw when I walked in the store. Well, it was a different one. It had little hearts on and she was more like a girl. And this one here is like the boy version. But I love it. It kind of reminds me of E.T., like with the face shape. I don't know why. This arm is a bit shorter and a bit chubbier. And I don't know. I picked this one out of the lot. I love him. He is adorable. I think I might change the bow on him just to go like a little bit darker red, because we've kind of got reds in that are kind of like similar to that pig back there. That'll be an easy kind of upcycle there for me. I don't really like that bow. Do you see it? It's cute. Don't get me wrong, but I just think for my decor, I might switch that out. But apart from that, I love him. £3.99 home bargains. I love ya. Also in that same vlog, I did pick up these, the St. Evil Figgy Pudding mini candles. Now, I have an Advent pig. If I've got a picture on Instagram or something, I'll just put it here for you to see, because it's still up in my decor cupboard at the moment. And I just put these little guys in the little one because it's got like a little candle holder. And then I have another bigger pig as well, which holds the Advent candle. But these ones here are the ones that I use in my mini pig. They're the perfect little size and they smell delightful. Oh my goodness, this is like, I don't know if I'm allowed to say the bad words, but it's like drugs. Sniffing these. Not that I've ever sniffed any drugs before, but I mean it's great. I walk past this little box and I sniff it and it's delightful. It's like a fresh scent with cloves and spices. I don't know how better to put it, but it smells like a very posh farm shop. That is what my living room is going to be smelling like, the St. Evil Figgy Pudding. Anyway, this looks a bit excessive now, okay? But please don't judge me. This bag, it's got quite a few things in. The bags themselves, the big reusable bags, I got them in Home Bargains as well. They were 99p. I bought 10 of them. I look like a crazy person at the till. But me and my family are doing Secret Santa this year. I'm organising it. I don't know why I'm doing it, but I thought we would try something new. So I proposed the idea and I said, don't worry, I'll take full control. And yeah, I bought everyone a bag like that each. So then when it comes to actually giving and putting the bags out, we don't know who's brought what in. It's a genius idea, isn't it? Anyway, so I've been using mine to gather up all my bits. I bought this mat, gingerbread doormat. This is from Sainsbury's. You can also buy them in Argos. They might have sold out. I'm not sure. They sold out last year. But what I really liked about this one is the fact that the kind of like pattern on it is like this flocked effect rather than painted. I don't know how it will hold up, but I really like it. The only downfall about this one, however, is the gingerbread house on the mat isn't printed straight. Do you see it? How annoying is that? I realised it when it was coming off at the bottom and I was like, oh, picked a wonky one. But it's very cute nonetheless. And it was only £6. Next up, from my big bag, I also have these. These were from Home Bargs. £1.29 for 12 metres. I'm sorry, that's great. We've gone for pink and red. I mean, I love the combo of them both. 24 metres on there. It's mainly for all the children because, like I said, the adults are doing Secret Santa this year. And I think that will do me just fine. I do have 13 children to buy for this year. None of which are my own because I don't have any kids. But 13. 13. Because all of my sisters have children. Multiple. That's why I propose Secret Santa for the adults. Something else for the adults, aka me and my husband. I bought us advent calendars because we are big children at heart. Terry's chocolate orange and the dairy milk one is for me. My husband's got the Terry's chocolate orange. They were both, well, one was £2.29 and one was £2.99. Home bargains again. Oh my goodness, I actually forgot about these. Sainsbury's Christmas pajamas. They had so many different ones in. I fell in love with these. The gingerbreads, the little bakery things on there, so cute. It says baked with love. Got sugar. What else have we got on there? Flour. We've got little piping bags, little whisks and hollies and mince pies. I like them. They're soft. Long sleeve, long bottoms. £12. £12 for a set. Primark, you're looking at £12 for just the bottom these days. I don't know what's going on in Primark, but Sainsbury's is where it's at. Next, some little gifty bags. These are for all of the kids. I've got 2 8-packs there, as you can see. I was looking kind of for like a 12-pack, if I'm being honest. Couldn't find any, so I picked up 2 8-packs. These are just like little nutcrackery ones from the range, £1.49. But to be honest, I've seen some cuter ones in TK Maxx, and they do have packs of 12 and I've seen packs of 15 in there, which works out amazingly for me. But I'd already bought these and I thought it would do the job. I fill them with sweets and give them to like the children as goodie bags. I did it last year. They loved them. So all of like the crazy sweets, you know, like the ones with like the liquid, the ones that are like £2-3 a pop, and you know that if I was a parent, I'd be like, you don't want that junk, it's just 90% plastic. But you know that the kids really want that. And being the auntie, the fun auntie with no children, I get to go crazy. All my sisters said, don't do that again this year. They were all so hyperactive. And I'm like, no, I'm going to do it. Because the kids have actually asked me. They're like, you're going to make sweet bags again this year? And I'm like, yeah, I am. So I've got my sweet bags. Also, I've picked up some new cleaning products. So just a few things that we kind of go through. Elbow grease, this is one I always use. I haven't bought any Christmas air fresheners yet. I'm thinking just going like the cinnamon kind of Febreze one, maybe the vanilla cookie, maybe the sugar plum delight. That's the 3 that I really like. But I brought the new elbow grease. This one, it's apple and cinnamon. Haven't started using that yet because I'm just using up one of the pink ones that I've got at the moment. And then I've got a new little disinfectant, winter spice. We're going to be right into the spirit. And if I'm being honest, just at the bottom of this bag now, all that's left in it are loads of Pez dispensers, because that's also going to be going into the goodie bags. And here are just 2 different ones that I have chosen. We've got Peppa Pig and Yoshi from Super Mario. So there's a little bit for you. I got these in the range. I think they were like £1.50 each or something. And I've got, I think, 8. So lots of different designs. I've picked one out for each child based on what they like. This is for Tilda. It's adorable. And this one here, I think, is for Zach. But they're very cute, aren't they? I love them. And I have got a few more designs down there. We've got Minecraft, Stitch. We've got, what's this one? Upside down. Oh, Princess Peach. That's for Tina. But that's pretty much all I have bought for Christmas so far. Obviously, I'm going to get into the season a little bit more as November goes. I may bring you another haul in December. I'm not really buying an awful lot. I'm really, really, really trying to cut back in my life, especially just with just random stuff in general, and like my wardrobe. I feel like I'm just like overcoming my hoarder tendencies. Well, at least I'm trying to. I'm watching a lot of documentaries, a lot of like YouTube videos and stuff, and I know I'm going to get there. It's going to be my 2026 resolution, I'm sure, along with a few other things that I'm currently working on. But anyway, regardless of all that, I hope you enjoyed today's little impromptu video. Sorry, it wasn't really a long vlog. I just thought that this would be quite a fun one to just share what I've bought. If you've bought anything recently that you want to share, want to speak about, then definitely let me know, because I'm always open to hearing about new things. Obviously, the tree, highly recommend that, and this fleece, it was a bit expensive, but it's worth it. I'm going to have so much joy out of this, and you would have already seen it so many times on my Instagram and in a few of these vlogs already, because I can't get enough of it. It just screams Christmas to me. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you have just a great week, a great weekend, a great day, a great month, a great end to the year. And with all that being said, I'm going to go. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for watching this far. If you could give a like, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here. But anyway, I'm going to go. I hope you have a fantastic time, and I'll see you very soon for another video.